All right, pro tip for the pressure washers out there on TikTok. If it's the beginning of your season like it is mine, you need to get online. You need to find your favorite vendor. Mine is Panhandle. And you need to order yourself a bunch of things like downstream injectors, check valves, O-rings, all kinds of stuff that you know will go wrong, go bad, break down. Little parts that, no matter what, are always going to break down while you're in the middle of a job. Because if you don't have an extra one, you can't finish that job. Now you're dead in the water. It's going to cause you a bunch of stress and anxiety because you know they're going to go bad. You just don't know when. It's like playing Russian roulette. So if you have a bunch in your truck, these things go bad all the time. If you don't rinse them, they definitely go bad. I've had them last a long time, but I always know I have them. And when I have them go bad on the middle of a job, it's quick fix. Check valves. Also, shout out to Panhandle. They always send you a little goodie bag with keychain, candy. I love that place. And they're quick to ship. And these MSDS sheets, safety data sheets, they sell a binder with all the chemicals that they sell, which pretty much is probably what you're using on your truck. And all the MSDS sheets are in here. So if you get pulled over and you need those sheets, you got them. And if there's something that isn't in there, you can easily print it out off the internet and add it to it. So it's definitely something I would add to your truck.